What are the three keys to successfully handling a neck injury accident claim? Hi, I am Dr. Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana personal injury lawyer, and today I would like to explain to you the three keys in order to successfully handle your car accident claim when you're claiming a problem with your neck. So, the first thing that's very important is that you document the damage to the vehicles. You need to document where the impact to the vehicle happened, whether it was straight from the back or the side. You also need to document whether the driver's head struck anything within the vehicle, hit the window, or whether the driver or injured person's head was turned at the time of the collision. These are very important facts that need to be documented so we can determine the biomechanics of the incident. For instance, if you are straight ahead and you are looking straight ahead, the hyperflexion, hyperextension injury will be uniform across the vertebra. However, if you are turned this way and you are struck from the rear because you were looking out at traffic, then when you go back in hyperextension and then you come back down in hyperflexion, you can actually cause more problems on one side because one side is loaded when your neck is turned. So this is very important for the person who's going to put together your injuries. The second thing and the second key is that you have to document your complaints. It's very good to go ahead and get checked out immediately after the accident or within 24 hours. Typically, your x-rays or CT will be normal unless you had a fracture, and that's a totally different type of issue. However, you need to get checked out so you can document that an injury or that you were having problems within close proximity to the time of the accident. The other thing that you need to do is you need to explain to your healthcare providers all the symptoms that are happening. For instance, if you have neck pain in the front, mention it. If you have pain into the shoulder, mention it. If it's going down into the shoulder blade, mention it. If it's coming down the shoulder into the arm, into the hand, into the fingers, you want to go ahead and mention that so it's documented. Because the area of the arm, the area of the back, the area of the fingers, the back of the hand, the front of the hand, all these pertain to different nerves and different nerve roots. So your doctor needs to be able to identify what potential area of your neck is having the problem. Is it C4, C5? Is it C5, C6? The other thing you need to explain to your treating physicians is the character and quality of the neck pain. Is it sharp? Is it sharp when you turn? Is it a dull ache? Does it get relief when you put your arm up like that? That's a specific sign. Is the pain in your neck and then start radiating down? Are you getting tingling in your hands? Are you dropping things? Are you having difficulty sleeping? Can you sleep on your back, but you're normally a side sleeper and you cannot do that? All these things matter in determining what is going on with your neck. Multiple structures in the neck. Could be a muscle problem, could be a tendon problem, could be a ligament problem, could be a disc problem, could be a problem with the joint in the back of the neck called the facet joint. These are symptoms are very important in giving your doctor an understanding for your differential diagnosis. The third thing is, if you're going to get an advocate, you need to have an advocate that understands the medicine, especially when it comes to neck injury claims. Because everybody who believes that there's a neck injury looks at the old Matlock show with somebody coming in with a neck brace, and Matlock gets them to take the brace off and they're moving fine. Everybody thinks, well, it's just a whiplash, and that is not so. When I was a chiropractic physician for 20 years, I treated hundreds of neck injury claims. You have to know how to document it, and you have to know how to explain it to a jury or a judge or an insurance adjuster. So make sure that the person who is helping you with your claim understands the nature and extent and character of your neck injury. And the fourth thing, which is going to be a little bit of a bonus for you, is you must, 100% must follow your treating physician's advice. If they want you to go to physical therapy, go to physical therapy. If they want you to take some type of medication, at least try to take the medication. If it doesn't agree with you, then make sure that you report it. If the doctor wants you to stop lifting a certain amount, make sure that you do that. If they want you to get an MRI or a CAT scan or an EMG or an NCV or a type of test, make sure you follow through. If they recommend an injection because the physical therapy and NSAIDs and medications are not helping, you need to go ahead and follow the doctor's advice. If you have any questions about a neck injury claim or how to successfully bring a neck injury claim, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.